Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to completely uninstall this game, and hopefully it's just this game, and not also Baldur's Gate. I don't know if it's my computer being weird, or if it's just this game being fucking, like, super weird. Yeah, like... Look at that. Look at this! Like, what the fuck is this? This is just fucking Play-Doh. And I have to go this way, like, I don't have a choice. I mean, yeah, I have to go to that green, that orange arrow right there. The only problem is there's like creatures that can kill me, and they're not spawning. There's fucking people here, and I'm not gonna be able to see them. I don't even know if I can see the ship. Oh my god, it loaded in. Everything is so stuttery. Holy shit.